this is the HTC One X Plus. So this is what you just get in the box, and this is the Indian version. The box is different from the international version. So you have the phone and you get few paperwork, the agreement, warranty statement, and congratulations or something, and safety and guide, the SIM pop-up thing, and the USB cable and the charger cable, and headphones. Those are not Beats. So these headphones sound really good, but they don't last for long. They just 1 year stopped working for me within a month. So that's pretty much what you get in the box. Thank you.